Welcome back to Those Vegan Chefs. I'm Stefan, and this channel is dedicated to making you a better vegan cook. Today it's all about the vegan breakfast casserole, topped with a tofu soufflé that's fluffy, airy, and creamy. So let's make it. I like to make this breakfast casserole in a sauté pan. Start with grating 3 to 4 Yukon potatoes. I take great pleasure in using a box grater. It gives a feeling of satisfaction cooking by hand, taking my time to enjoy the cooking process. Now that's a mountain of shredded potatoes. 1 teaspoon kosher salt added to the potatoes. Mix to incorporate the salt. Grab a handful of grated potatoes, squeezing firmly to remove as much water as possible. Removing excess water from the potatoes will give them that crispy crunch, also creating a well-seasoned bite. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. In goes 3 to 4 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Scatter the grated potatoes evenly in the hot pan. I'm using the grated potatoes almost as a crust to this breakfast casserole, creating a crispy bottom layer. A little bonus seasoning of the potatoes: 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon granulated garlic. Cook over medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes. The potatoes should be starting to turn brown. Place the potatoes in a preheated oven at 375 degrees, cooking for 10 minutes. Cut the bell pepper into a small dice. Thinly slice the scallions to the best of your abilities. Set the scallions and peppers aside. The simple fact is, I adore this tofu egg base. It's rich and creamy, overflowing with flavor and a silky texture. Slice chunks of tofu, placing into the blender. 2 tablespoons nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon garbanzo bean flour, 1 tablespoon potato starch, 1/4 teaspoon black sea salt, and 1/2 cup blanched cashews. Add 1 1/4 cups plant milk. Silky, smooth, and creamy is the goal, so puree until you reach that point. Add the egg base to a large mixing bowl. Add the red bell peppers and scallions. Make sure to adjust the salt level. Mix to incorporate. The potatoes are cooked, which means it's time to build the breakfast casserole. Evenly spread the vegan ground beef over the potatoes. Add roughly 1/2 cup black beans, adding a little spice next with the diced green chilies. Add the egg base next. Take a moment to level off the egg base mixture on top of the breakfast casserole. Place the breakfast casserole in a preheated oven set at 375 degrees, cooking for 35 to 40 minutes. We are meeting all expectations head on with this breakfast casserole. Robust, deep, earthy flavors on the bottom, decadent egg soufflé on top, light in texture, yet rich and creamy. The breakfast vegan casserole turned out perfect. It's totally amazing. I'm going to put a link in the description for the vegan ground beef. Check out our breakfast series featuring the tofu Benedict. Hello. Hit the like and subscribe button, and it's time I dig into this bad boy right here. I'll see you next week. Bye.